Okay, in the operating capacity, regarding the quarter four, we decided to increase the operating capacity in 17 units per day because the demand that was projected for the sales department was 1080. So we consider that with 17 units per day we can achieve this number and like reach the results that we wanted, and we saw that it was a good result. We increased market share. However, during the quarter five, the demand projected was for the sales department was 1,958 units per quarter, and we decided to increase the demand from 17 to 28. However, the demand wasn't reached, but we decided to increase this in that percentage per day because the demand was quite high, and we tried to satisfy the demand with that number.
For the decision making in quarter 4 and 5, we have concluded that we will not schedule overtime as our current operational capacity doesn't exceed the fixed capacity. If our operational capacity were higher, we would consider adding additional hour. However, under the current condition, increase our capacity is not feasible.
So for the fixed capacity, we have currently 2,600 units per semester, which means that our projected demand is approximately 2,100. So the fixed capacity will meet the needs of the projected demand, which is why is it not necessary to increase the fixed capacity.
Okay, so regarding the production simulation in quarter four, we gave a percentage of 80% of the 100% of the whole projected demand that was going to be sold. And as we can see in quarter three, the demand was 219 projected, and the units produced was the same. So that's why we thought that in quarter four we were going to be able to reach the 80% of the whole demand, because as I mentioned before, the demand for quarter four was 1080, but in quarter five, for sure, the demand was higher. And here we saw that in quarter four, the units produced or sold were um, 810, and the net demand was 1,100. So that's why we thought that we didn't reach the enough projected demand. That's why in quarter four, as the demand was higher because it was 1,900, we thought that maybe we were going to be able to reach the 70% of the whole projected demand.